Hi children, how are you today? Let's sing the days of the week. Are you ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each day special and every day new. What day is it today? Today is Friday. Your turn. You say that so well in a full sentence. That's great. If today is Friday, what day is tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Saturday. That's right. Tomorrow means the day that comes after today. Well done. What day comes after Monday? Tuesday. What day comes after Wednesday? That's right. Thursday. What day comes after Saturday? Sunday. Well done. We don't go to school on Saturday and Sunday, so we call it the, go on, tell your grown up, the weekend. That's right. It's the weekend. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend. What day comes before Thursday? So when you say before, when you're singing, Monday, Thursday, what did I just say? Wednesday comes before Thursday. Well done if you told your grown-up that. Let's sing the months of the year. You ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. How many months are there in a year? Tell your grown-up in a full sentence. There are. You ready? Join in with me. There are 12 months in a year. Well done. What month comes after January? What month comes after March? April. What month comes after July? August. What month is it at the moment? It is November. Well done. And we're in autumn, aren't we? The leaves are falling off the trees and it is very blustery. The wind's blowing and it's rainy, isn't it? The season is autumn. Well done. And the month is November. Fantastic. Can you count up to 7? But we're going to start off at number 2. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember to stop there. Let's count up to 10, but starting off at the number 4. I'm going to use my fingers this time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. And let's count from 10 back to 0. And instead of saying blast off, we're going to say 0. Are you ready? And 0 means nothing left at all. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well done. Can you show me this amount of fingers? Show you grown up. It's 3. Can you show me this amount? Well done. It's the numeral 4. We did that yesterday. What about that? 0. Keep those fingers down. And that one? Number 1. Well done. And what about if we use these cards with spots on? Can you remember we did this yesterday? That's right. Show me 4 fingers. And what about this one? You see? 2. 2 again. That's 3. Doesn't matter whether you do that, whether you do that, whether you do that. What's that one? 2. Could be like that, could be like that, could be like that. That's a bit hard, isn't it? 3. Well done. And 4. We're going to try and get faster and faster. I have got, today we're going to do about up to the number 5, and we're going to do different ways of making 5. And guess what? I've got a song that we can sing. I think you know it. Have a look at what I've made here. Does that help you? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little speckled frogs. And where are they sitting? On a speckled log. Are you ready? You can join in with your fingers, but I shall use the puppets. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 1, 2, 3, 4 green speckled frogs. Grub, grub. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 1, 2, 3 green speckled frogs. Grub, grub. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1, 2 green speckled frogs. Grub, grub. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1 green speckled frog. Yup, grub. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no green speckled frogs. Yum, yum. No frogs on that log. But look how many there are in the pool. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. They haven't gone away. They've just gone somewhere different, haven't they? Let me count them again. I'm going to use some cubes to put on them. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can touch them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know that there are 5. Now, we just sang the song 5 Little Speckled Frogs. And here I've got my frogs, look, all sitting on a 5 frame. Well, they're on the log ready to jump into the pool, which is a 5 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. When 1 jumps into the pool, how many are left on the log? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the log and 1 in the pool. How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 on the log and 1 on in the pool is 5 altogether. Part was 4 on the log and 1 part in the pool was 1, but altogether there are still 5. 4 speckled frogs all on the log. When 1 jumps into the pool, there are now 2 on the pool and 3 on the log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Part was 2, part was 3, and the whole was 5. 3 little speckled frogs on the log. When 1 jumps into the pool, there are 1, 2 on the log and 1, 2, 3 in the pool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 altogether. None of them have gone away, but 3, part was 3 in the pool, part was 2 on the log, and altogether there are 5. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. 1 jumps into the pool. Go on, you see if you can count them for me. Show me that number. Did you get 4? That's right, 4 in the pool. How many left on the log? Just 1 on the log. And how many altogether? Should we count them again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 altogether. 1 little speckled log. When he jumps into the pool, how many are in the pool? Let's count them. You count them. Well done. There are 5 in the pool. How many left on the log? None in the log. Part was nothing on the log. Part was 5 in the pool. But altogether, we've still got 5. Well done. Let's have a look at 5. 5 can be represented in different ways. I've got a number line here, and we've looked at this number line quite a lot, haven't we? Now, here is 0. And 0, I'm not going to put any cube towers on, am I? There is 1. Here's 1, 2. I'm going to put them. Can you see them getting taller? 1, 2, 3. 3 is greater than 2, and 2 is greater than 1, and we can see the towers going up like that. What numeral is that? We did it yesterday. That numeral is, tell your grown up. That's right, it's 4. And here I've got a tower of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think is going to happen when I put it next to the 3? Will it be taller than the 3 or smaller? That's right, it's taller, because 3 is 1 more. 4, sorry, is 1 more than 3. There, it's a greater number, isn't it? 1 more. 3 is 1 less than 4. So what numeral do you think that one there is? Can you see it? If you're not sure, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we think it'll be? That's right, 5. What do you think is going to happen to my tower of cubes? It's going to increase, isn't it? It's going to be bigger. Can you see them going up? Each one going up 1 more. Let's count them as I touch them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's count down again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nothing there. So that's a number line with cubes on. And let's have a look at some different ways of representing numbers. We've seen this card before, haven't we? It's 1 whale, and there's the word 1, and there's the numeral 1. Here we've got 1, 2 houses. There's the numeral 2, and there's the word 2. Can you count those elephants? 3. 1, 2, 3. And there's the numeral 3. And what word does that say? That says 3 too. Well done. The one we did yesterday with our ducks. The numeral 4. The word 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 boats. So guess what? Here we've got some octopus. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. There's the numeral 5, and there's the word 5. So that is representing 5 with a numeral, a word, and some pictures. Here we've got 5 in cubes. What do you think that is there? That is 5 on a domino. Can you see that there's one spot in the middle and the other ones are in pairs? You can see straight away with 5, but it doesn't always. We looked at 4 yesterday and saw that the spots could be in different places, didn't we? What one's that one? Show me with your hands. It's a numeral 1, and it looks like that on a dice. What about that one? Sorry, it's the spots of, it represents 2, doesn't it? Not the numeral, sorry. And that one? That's 3, and that's how it looks on a dice. And what about that one? And that's 4, and it looks like that on a dice. I've got some spoons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've said I can do lots of maths with things that I've got at home, and these are 5. Look, I might just draw them like that. I've usually drawn straws like that, but that could represent my spoons as well. 5 like that. And we've said that we can represent 5 with counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it was on a dice, they would have that formation like that. But does it matter if I do that? No. Does it matter if I do that? No. Or that? No. Let's have a look at, we had a 5 frame here for our frogs, didn't we? But what if I used a 10 frame instead? Now, a 10 frame is a bit like a 5 frame, only there are, you've got it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to use the top line first of all. And the reason we're going to use this today is because we'll move on with bigger numbers than 5 onto using a 10 frame. Look where I'm putting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got pictures there, but I could instead use cubes. I'm going to use green cubes because these are going to be like green frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last number that I say is how many there are altogether. What if I didn't have green cubes? Does it matter that there's an orange frog? No, not at all. It's still 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. So let's just have one last look at some number cards. So I have got these number cards and I am not sure what order they go in. What does that one say? Can you tell you're grown up? It's 0. What about that one? I think the number of frogs on there should help. 1, 2. That's right. What about that one? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one? 1, 2, 3. And what about that one? It's just 1, isn't it? But that's got a little line. We didn't draw out. We made ours a little bit easier when we wrote them. And how many on that? Oh, that looks more. That looks a little bit like our new spots on the dice, doesn't it? The way it's set out. It's 5. Right, I think I've got these in the wrong order. What's going to come first? I think it's 0. Let's put 0 right over here. Let's think when we count. 0. What comes next? 1. Just 1 there. 1. And I can put 1 counter on here. What comes next? 0, 1, 2. There we are. 1, 2. And I can put 2 counters on there. 1, 2. And what comes after 2? 0. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're getting there, aren't we? And guess what? I'm going to use cubes this time. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter that it was cubes. I had them ready. That's fine for counting. 0, 1, 2, 3. Which of those do you think's right? It's 4. That's right. Well done. And again, I'm going to use this time something different. If I can find it. What's that? It's a Numicon. Look, they fit on top like that. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll use some cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is an odd number because those two would make a pair. Those two would, but that one hasn't. And if they don't all make a pair and have a partner, it's odd. So well done. So we've been ordering numbers now to 5. We have been counting to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that when a frog jumps into the pond, there's 1 less. 1 less. 5, 4. 1 less than 4 is 3. 1 less than 3 is 2. 1 less than 2 is 1. And 1 less than 1 is 0. We know the greatest number of those is 5. And the smallest number is 0. And we have used lots of things to count with. Now, it doesn't matter if you don't have cubes. You could use Lego bricks. You could use, like me, spoons. But see if you can do lots of counting to 5. Perhaps you could get a grown-up to make some spotty cards to see if you know how many they are. Just go to 5 though. Perhaps You could get some numeral cards to see if you can represent them. There's a numeral 5. And lots of counting things. Send a photo into the Ash or Elm email, and I can't wait to see your lovely collections of 5. And do practice singing our lovely song. Could perhaps make yourself some frog puppets. Have a lovely day. Bye.